in this video. First, go to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. There you will see the AnyDesk icon. Right click on it and select quit. Once you quit it, AnyDesk will close properly. After that, refresh your screen once or twice. Then double click on the AnyDesk icon to open it again. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and AnyDesk should start. As you can see, it has started here. If it still doesn't start, you can try the second method. In this method, first click on the start button, then press the window key plus R to open the run dialog box. Or you can type run in the search bar and open it. In the run box, type percentage app data percentage and press OK. A folder will open. Here you will see some AnyDesk related files. Click on the back button to go one step up and find the AnyDesk folder. Right click on the folder and delete it. You can either delete it normally or press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove it. After deleting, refresh your screen a couple of times. Then double click on the AnyDesk icon again and wait for a few seconds. It should now open. Depending on how fast your PC is, it might take about 10 to 15 seconds. Once it starts, and if it is working properly, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.